Welcome guys. Huawei Nova 5 series is official. The Chinese telecommunications giant on Friday unveiled the new smartphone lineup at a press event in China. It includes 3 smartphones: Huawei Nova 5, Nova 5 Pro, and Nova 5i. Nova 5 Pro run on Android 9 Pie with EMUI 9.1.1 and pack a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus OLED screen with 19.59 aspect ratio, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and DC dimming support. The Nova 5 Pro will come with octa-core Kirin 980 SoC. The two phones pack 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of onboard storage, which uses Huawei's EROFS file system. EROFS offers 20% better performance than the XT file system that is present on many Android smartphones. Nova 5 Pro feature a quad-camera setup, which houses a 48-megapixel primary shooter with an f1.8 lens, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter with an f2.2 lens, a 2-megapixel shooter with a 4cm f2.4 macro lens, and 2-megapixel shooter with a depth sensor and on the front, there is a 32-megapixel selfie shooter with an f2.0 lens and support AI HDR+, as well as support for night mode. Among other specifications, you will get a 3500 mAh battery with 40W fast charging support. The Nova 5 Pro also includes NFC support, which is not present in the regular Nova 5.